I love the smell of laundromats. Why? Because they made me a millionaire many, many, many times over. When I talk to someone who has ridden horses their entire life, I'm interested to hear about it. I may not want a horse, I may not want to learn how to ride, but I'm interested. Now, if you want to learn how to do well in coin laundromats, I'm your guy. I can't speak about anyone else, but I know there is a lot of hype and a lot of charlatans and a lot of bullshit going on. Let me make you a guarantee. Yeah, I sell a silly course, and I call it that because I'm not going to hype myself. I'm Danny D'Angelo, the self-proclaimed king of laundry. No one else called me that. No one else dubbed me the king. The website was available. My guarantee is this: you get a hold of my silly course and you don't like it, you don't learn from it, you don't know exactly how to put one foot in front of the other, send me an email. You'll get your money back. Every dime.